how to copy Facebook page link. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our FB account right here. And then once you are now on your Facebook, all you have to do is to go to the page that you want to copy. So let's say, for example, you want to copy the page of this account right here, this Facebook page right here. Now, all you have to do is to click the three dots on the right screen, which is right here. So just click that right there. And then once you click that, you will now be able to see this page profile link. So all you have to do is to click copy link right there. And then once you click copy link, just click continue right there. And then once you copy that, of course, you can now send it into, let's say, for example, your friend, or you can send it through Messenger, through Discord, through WhatsApp, and more. That is how easy it is. That is basically it. Once again, that is how to copy Facebook page link.